Okay, it's been a while since I did a video. I've only got 2 out. But I was watching a video by Matti Haapoja, link it up above. It made me think about whether or not I want to do this YouTube channel. And I really do. And a lot of the points that he made in the video are, that a lot of YouTubers don't do it because they're scared, or because they don't think they have enough content, or they don't think they have the knowledge to pull this off. And I think I fall into pretty much all 3 of those categories. So I thought I'd make this video because it's all about kind of just doing it, just getting something out there, and that's what I'm doing here. So this is not gonna be a long video. I just want to put it out there that if you want to start a YouTube channel, do it. I mean, the worst thing that'll happen is what? No one watches, and that's the worst. That's the absolute worst thing that'll happen. But then somebody might watch. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start being a little bit more consistent with my videos. Still nervous, but I think overcoming the nerves is what it takes. That's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. Within the next couple of days, you'll see my next video. I think I'm just gonna let you know what lenses I'm using. Just something to get content out there. So I'm gonna let you know what lenses I'm using. Maybe take some shots with them, just so that you can see what these lenses can produce. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for subscribing. If you're just watching, thanks for watching. Consider liking. And if you're interested in what I'm going to bring forth, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you know when I drop new videos. Alright, so like I said, real short, real sweet, to the point. Just trying to get another video out there just to confirm my seriousness about this. So, that being said, later.